Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play low notes on the flute. This will be an easy tutorial. So, how to play low notes on a flute. An easy tutorial. Let's get right into the video. Now, I probably won't be playing low notes because I'm a little bit cramped in the car right now. I'll probably show you some tips, but I don't know if I'll be playing the low notes in this video. Also because I'm a beginner, so my playing of low notes is very infrequent. I can play them most of the time, but sometimes I can't. I might try it out anyways. I might embarrass myself, but yeah, I'll probably try and play something anyway. So essentially, the first few tips are basically to try playing from your lower chest, okay? You got to imagine with lower notes, you're playing from your lower area of your airway over here. And that sort of makes sense because imagine that you're moving warmer air and sort of like deeper air. You want to move deeper air, and that will allow you to play those low notes. If you play from up here, you're going to get a very high pitch, right? If you play lower, you're going to get a little bit of a lower pitch, okay? So you want to try and get air from sort of down there and get a lower air, if you can imagine that. That doesn't quite make sense, but trust me, it actually works, okay? So try playing from your lower chest, if you can imagine that. The second tip is to drop your jaw a bit. You want to essentially have a bigger aperture. Your aperture is how big your mouth opening is with your embouchure, which is your lip positioning on the flute, okay? And within itself. So you want to have a bigger aperture. So instead of playing like this, okay, you want to play a little bit lower. Instead of like this, you want to go a little bit more open. So drop your jaw because you're going to get more height. You don't want to widen your lips. You want to get more height. So instead of like this, you're going to go like that. Very simple. Open your jaw a little bit, like a quarter of an inch. Drop your lower jaw a little bit. That'll help you out with the low notes, okay? You want to also try relaxing your muscles slightly. What I've noticed is, like, I play really square shouldered like this, really tight on the shoulders. The moment I relaxed, I guess I was able to get that air from the lower portion of the airway, which therefore helped my ability to play those low notes, okay? And the last tip is to work your way down. So essentially, when you're playing the flute, I don't know how much of this you're gonna be able to see. I might have to turn the camera a little bit. There we go, that's a little bit better. When you're playing the flute, right? There are high notes and there are low notes. Essentially, the more notes that you plug up, okay, the more notes that you can plug up, the more valves that you can plug up along the way, the lower the note is going to be. So I would start off over here, and I would work my way down from here. I would work my way down. So I just have my thumb over here on this note. I got my three home buttons over here plugged up with my left hand, okay? I would work my way down, and I would go plug up this one with my index, middle finger, ring finger. You can even hear the sound. I feel like I can make a song out of this. Anyways, that's like a little bit of ASMR in this video. That's a jam, baby. That's a jam. Anyways, the more that you plug up, the lower the note's gonna be. So at this point, after you plug up 1, 2, 3 over here, I should say 4, 5, 6 with your right hand, then you can plug up this one over here. Okay, it's gonna go lower, and then you can roll your pinky finger onto that one right there, and it's gonna go lower. Okay, now I don't know if I'll be able to hit those notes, like I said, but I'm gonna try. So just bear with me. I'm a beginner myself, so just bear with me because my success on the flute is I'm still learning it, right? It's infrequent. So just bear with me as I try to get those notes, okay? We're gonna start off over here. Okay, so as you can hear, I'm not getting the best tone, but you can hear it going lower, okay? Okay, so build your way down. You don't want to just be able, you can't just play a low note. Like if I just tried to play that low note, I probably wouldn't be able to get it. No, I can't because I'm not that advanced yet, but I can work my way down to it. Okay, I almost got it, but I'm working my way down to it. So work your way lower. Now, like I said, don't judge the playing quality of this video, because I'm a beginner myself. I want you to judge the instructional quality, what I'm saying to you, because I'm learning to play lower notes myself, and I'm doing a pretty good job at learning it, and I just wanted to share with you how to do it. That's why I basically entitled this video an easy tutorial. It's like a beginner tutorial. This is not for advanced players. This is for beginner players like myself that want to learn to play lower on the instrument. That's essentially it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.